Hi beautiful souls, how are you people doing? I'm doing great here. If you're new to my channel, my name is Charanya Nair. I do videos on beauty and lifestyle. So today I'm here with another good makeup video. So where I'm going to tell you how to apply concealer properly. So without talking much, let's get into the video. For today's video, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the shade 40 Caramel. This is available in all online stores in Nykaa, Amazon as well as in drugstores. Before applying the concealer, let's just understand where you have to use a concealer and why. So concealer is used to conceal all those dark spots under your eyes or hypopigmentation places, as well as your pimples and your dark spots anywhere on your face. What it will do is it will make that even, and when you apply the foundation it will become equal and it won't be seen. So now I'm going to apply the concealer, and I've come a little closer to the camera so that it is visible for you people that I am applying concealer where all I'm trying to cover my spots on my face and the under eyes as well. So I'm taking the concealer. I'm looking this way because my mirror is here. So I'm just going into an inverted triangle shape. Just going to fill everything in. Same way I'm going to do on the other side as well. Okay, why I have made an inverted triangle is it will become easier for you to blend all the concealer into your skin and the foundation, so it wouldn't look like here you have a concealer, you have a foundation here. It will easily blend in. So I'm going to cover above my eyes as well because it's a little dark. So I'll cover all my pimples and dark spots as well. So I've applied on all the required areas. So I'm using an angular brush, as you can see. This will help in applying the concealer evenly under the eyes. You have to go with the brush in tapping motion and not in a rubbing motion, because when you tap you are actually applying, and when you rub you trying to erase much of the concealer off. So just tap it and it will actually go into the pores and give you an even layer of concealer. So when you are applying your concealer to the ends, so I have made like an inverted triangle. So towards the end, what you're going to do is you're going to blend it outwards a little in this way, so that what you do is you're directly applying the concealer evenly so that it won't look odd. So now I'm going to bake my under eyes so that it will avoid greasing. I'm using the Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 30 Medium Deep. another angular brush. This is not much angular, so it's light angular. And now I'm going to take the loose powder, dust off the extra. So now I'm just going to apply it under my eyes to conceal all that concealer which I've put. So basically what happens is when you apply the concealer, if it is not evenly, blended in, or in some cases even if it's evenly blended, under your eyes these small lines will catch up the concealer and it will look like small white lines or patchy lines on your face, showing that you have put makeup. To avoid that, we do this process of baking. So I'm going to leave this on for 2 minutes so that it settles down. So now I'm going to dust off the excess loose powder. While using a loose powder, make sure you're using correct shade, otherwise it will make it look much brighter than your skin shade. Now you can go for your kajal, eyeliner, eye makeup, blush, etc. because all your foundation and makeup is set. So this is a simple way you apply concealer onto your face and conceal those dark spots and look beautiful and flawless. Thank you guys for watching till the last. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button, do share it to your loved ones who are interested into beauty and lifestyle, and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you're notified whenever I post a new video. So until next time, bye!